So you want to know what it's like to ride with an actual police motor officer? That's a thing you can do. It's called Maryland Motors, and motors stand for Motor Officers Teaching Other Riders Safety. Basically, you get to spend an entire day learning from the cops who do this professionally. And yeah, you actually get to ride with them. It's pretty wild. So here's how the day works. You show up in the morning, they check out your bike, then you're in the classroom learning the techniques these guys use. The cool part, you get to actually go on a mentored ride where the motor officers follow you. Yeah, they're watching every move you make, and then they give you real world feedback on how you did. After lunch, a little bit more classroom stuff, then you hit the low speed training course. That's where you really work on control. Tight turns, slow maneuvers, all the stuff that actually keeps you upright when things get a little sketchy. They teach you how to avoid crashes, advanced control techniques, and basically all the tricks that they've picked up after years of riding in literally every condition imaginable. And before you ask, yes, any bike works. Sport bikes, Harleys, scooters, even a trike. They don't care what you ride. Classes are capped at 16 people, and you get one motor officer for every 2 riders. So it's pretty intimate with lots of personal feedback. Now with my particular course that I took, we had 9 individuals, which we had one group who had 2 people, vice the other groups who only had 1. So what does this mean? This meant we got one-on-one personal time with an actual motor officer. But they do encourage you to ride as if they were not behind you. They encourage you to go a little bit more than the speed limit, roughly about 5 miles per hour over, maybe a little bit more, but that is because they want to see exactly how you are riding when they are not around. Now these classes run all over Maryland. That would be Hagerstown, Baltimore, Eastern, Southern Maryland, and a couple other spots. And you don't need to be a Maryland resident. You will need your motorcycle endorsement, obviously. Your bike needs to be registered as well as insured. And gear-wise, just the usual, DOT helmet, at least, gloves, long sleeves, boots that go over your ankles, and bring a lunch or be prepared to grab something nearby. Now here's the thing though, these instructors aren't weekend warriors. They ride every single day, high speed pursuits, traffic, rain, snow, whatever. They've seen it all and they've done it all. Now speaking of rain, yeah, you're probably riding in rain if it calls for it. They almost never cancel. So bring your rain gear and just accept that you might get wet. It's part of it. But the feedback you get, man, it's immediate and it's real. They're watching you, they're correcting you, and they're showing you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. Registration for 2026 opens in February. And real talk, these classes fill up crazy fast. Now, just so that you know, this isn't how you get your motorcycle license. You need to have that already. This is for after you've gotten your endorsement and you want to get better at riding. One day, real pros teaching you the skills that might literally save your life. So head on over to zerodeathsmaryland.gov/Maryland Motors. I'll drop the link in the description. The best riders, they never stop learning. That's just facts. The more you know. Rich boy, DJ Day, rich boy.